The two-day nationwide bank strike called by the United Forum of Bank Union, an umbrella body of 9 bank unions, began today. The bank strike has been called in protest against the privatization of public sector banks and retrograde banking reforms, as per a media report. Top BJP leaders Amit Shah, JP NADDA and Shivraj Singh Chauhan will visit Assam today to campaign and assess the poll preparedness for the upcoming Assam Assembly election. Amit Shah will attend a BJP program in Guwahati around 4:30 p.m. at Srimanta Sankardev Kalakshetra, a media report said. Amit Shah will launch BJP's social media campaign Selfie with Development for the assembly polls in Assam. On the other hand, JP NADDA will address 3 election rallies in northern Assam's Lakhimpur, Biswanath and Sonitpur districts and will campaign for the party candidates. The ongoing encounter in Shopian of Kashmir resumed this morning as it entered the 3rd day. According to reports, fresh firing between militants and security forces resumed today at the Rawalpura encounter site. Reports said that fresh firing has resumed at the encounter site after a lull of 24 hours, entering 3rd day. Media reports said that Jaish commander of Shopian district is believed to be among the trapped militants. A 42-year-old man was reportedly shot at and was rushed to Janims Hospital yesterday. Sources said T.H. Boge was shot by some unknown miscreants at Kongpal Laishram Lekai in Imphal East. Police are investigating the incident and a case has been registered at Porampat Police Station. The Office of the Bishnupur PHED Division organized a mass awareness program on Har Ghar Jal, hand washing and ODF at Tobul and Lemapokpam under Bishnupur district yesterday. During the program, the residents were sensitized on Jal Jeevan mission and the importance of water, its quality and conservation. In view of the unremitting grenade attack in Imphal, particularly in Minuthong area, the Imphal West District Police Commando conducted a massive search operation at Ragailong area this morning. Around 50 houses were searched and 120 individuals were verified. No one was detained. N. Usha, wife of Nambol constituency MLA N. Locaine, donated clothes and other items to the inmates of Shembilema Children Home for Girls at Ishok under Nambol today. Speaking on the occasion, N. Usha assured to help the inmates in the future too. Former Pradhan of Lemapokpam Gram Panchayat K. Ranjana, veteran international athlete S. Madhumati, founder of the home S. Open, and Councillor Y. Naubi were present at the event. Annual sports meet of Rongmai Collegiates Organisation Imphal RCOI concluded today at the DM College of Science Playground. The 3-day-long annual sports meet was held on the theme Unity Through Sport. Alan Kame, intending to contest the forthcoming State Assembly polls from Nungba Assembly segment, and RCOI General Secretary Kwakngam Gangmei and Joint Secretary Lansinlung Rongmei attended the closing ceremony. A team of Lilong police station recovered an unattended gunny sack in a paddy field at Lilong Haino Makong yesterday. The police team found 140 illegal bottles of cough syrup labeled as Anrex CP. Lilong police registered a case under Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act for further investigation. Mankatsar police, keeping in view of the ensuing Assam Assembly elections, arrested a drug peddler in Mankatsar under the South Salmara Mankachar district. The police recovered a consignment of psychotropic tablets from the possession of the drug peddler. During the operation, Mankachar police seized 1,440 pieces of suspected psychotropic tablet from the possession of Zakir Hussain, the drug peddler.